Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making Qozi, which is a lamb dish over rice. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Qozi recipe. For the first part, I'll be using 5 lamb shanks, lamb rib chops, juice of 1 lemon, 2 jalapenos, hot ones, that I've just sliced, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 bay leaves, 2 dried limes, some light olive oil and some sea salt. For the second part, you will need 2.5 cups of white basmati long grain rice soaked in water for about 20 minutes, 1 cup of vermicelli pasta, 1 cup of green peas, half a cup of slivered almonds, half a cup of raisins, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baharat or allspice, and some light olive oil. And this is how your Qozi should look like. Squeeze some lemon juice on top. It's a great dish to enjoy to make during Thanksgiving, Christmas or Easter. So enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!